China economy strong, building strong economy, 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 economy for China, for China. Hello everyone, and welcome to our continuing coverage of the strongest country on earth and its attempt to build the strongest economy that the world has ever seen. This is, of course, China Economy Strong. So today we have 6 bulldozers battle on public street over contract dispute. You see, some people might say this is the result of an extremely corrupt and lawless society, that you have bulldozers trying to destroy one another, but people don't understand the dual economic purposes of this exercise. Because you can record, not only does China public win, because this is how bidding process works in China. Because I mean, in Western countries, when you have a bidding process, different companies go, oh, I can do this faster, I can do this for less money, give me the contract, etc., etc. And in China, if it's going to be decided by who wins a fight, imagine how low they're going to bid in a life or death situation to win that contract. So that's number one. Number two, this process allows you to record the bulldozers fighting each other over the contract, and the bulldozers fighting over each other over the contract can be recorded. It can be uploaded, and you can have pay-per-view bulldozer fights, and that generates money. Money that can be used for investment in China economy. You see, the brilliance of the plan is the bulldozers fight each other over who bids lower on contract, and we sell footage online. The footage generate money which used to pay for project. So fight over project, pay for project, which is far smarter than what the foreign devils come up with. Yes, I think that deserved a gong. So let's look at the story. Remember the days when the winner of an argument was decided by who could win in a fight? Yeah, those days were alpha as fuck. Nowadays, if two companies are arguing over something such as a construction contract, they would probably both place a bid, and the company who lost would go home. Not these guys. However, as they fought each other on the streets of Hebei in Xinjiang County in China on Saturday, in their plant machinery, the dispute, which went viral on LiveLeak, was the result of two companies competing for the construction contract. Let's see here. The battle starts with just 2 industrial vehicles. More join in as the fight escalates, and the 2 machines end up getting tripped over. Well, I think there's something suitable before we get to this. Yeah, Robot Wars. I remember back when that used to be on TV. I would watch that show every Sunday or whenever it was on. But let's watch the footage of this. Okay. So we got the duel. Look at those guys go. Those are fine. Okay, I'm just gonna sing it. China economy strong, doing bulldozers make pay-per-view fight to make economy strong. China bulldozers strong, building the China Empire. Leadership. The judges have weighed in. The winner of the first Xinjiang robot war is bulldozer number 1. The loser is, of course, the foreign devils, and all those are against China. Look at these assholes. They're like... Dysfunctional high-trust society. This does look like Robot Wars, actually. Watch next. Weirdest sex toys at the Chinese festival. This is China. This is China moment. It's true. So I hope you guys enjoyed that. once again, it shows the superiority of China culture. As always, I will sing you out. This is China moment, China moment. This is China special time. This is China moment, China moment. This is China's special moment to shine.